US100 and US30 both gave a gap up and now trying to trade with a drop here. What is going to happen today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators before I come up with the next analysis before the US cash session. So do press the bell icon, and yes, missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. First we'll look into US100 followed with US30. Do watch till the end and do listen to it carefully. These are the hourly charts for US100. You can find out it is trying to trade in an expanding triangle. See, every candle has a meaning out here. It is shown you an expanding triangle indicating bullishness there. The support zone is at 12,570. If you see it dropping below 12,570 and then 12,550, if you see it trading below these two levels, certainly it will call for the bearishness again, and then you can remain short for 12,500. See, the next destination of support zone is at 12,450 only. So be cautious of 12,570, 12,540, 50 levels. If you see it trading below these two, definitely it will call for a good drop. But see this, after trading in this channel, it is trying to see a high. Be cautious of 12,650. If you see it trading above 12,650 any point of time throughout this day, yes, you can stay long, and below 12,570, yes, you can go short. Rather, you should be cautious of 12,550 again. So yes, below 12,570 go short and then expect 12,550 as a support, 12,530 as a support, and then below that you can remain short for 12,450 and below levels. Directional movement extremely bullish. It may start to converge. The stochastic looking downwards with 3 green red candles. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It has seen some bullish move and now trying to cross over for a sell entry. RSI is trading overbought and hence it may call for a drop. Be cautious with the rise, and only about 12,650 I will recommend you to go long. Now look at the 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour charts, it has seen a high, it has seen the lows. Probably the support at 12,570 is going to be strong. If you see it below this, you can go short for 12,550, 12,530, and below that we can remain short, in fact, for 12,450 levels. Very strong support at 12,450 and 400. Directional movement extremely bullish. It can converge for a sell. Stochastic was trading overbought, now looking downwards for a bearish move. MACD was trading in green, now willing to converge crossover for a sell entry. RSI is overbought to may call for a drop out there. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, it has given a gap up. There is a reversal indication there, and the reversal indication, the third candle I will watch out for. If you see this third candle, see, first of all, lower highs. It is trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands. Lower highs indicates, yes, if you see it trading about 12,650, definitely one can consider that it may show you some bullishness. Also on the downside, the third candle will be watchful of below 12,530. Definitely it will call for 12,500, 12,450. 12,450 is going to be the support level for the day, and in fact there is a lot much to cover till towards 12,300. Be careful. On the rise only 12,650 is the level beyond which you can buy here. Directional movement extremely bullish. It may start to converge. Stochastic is overbought. It can look forward to a drop. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It can start to converge, and RSI is overbought here. Probably this may call for a drop out there. On the 4-hour charts too, it is showing you a reversal here. Be careful of 12,570. Below that, yes, you can go short for 12,550, 12,530, two levels, and below that 12,500 and 12,450, 12,400. Remember 12,400 and 12,300, this zone I have told you several times is again going to come out to be a stronger resistance zone on the downside. Now look at the, before we proceed, let's also have a look at the indicators on the 4-hour charts. Directional movement is bullish. It is trying to converge. Stochastic trading overbought. It may call for a good sharp drop on the downside. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It may start to converge crossover for a sell entry. RSI is overbought on the 4-hour charts, may call for a drop. On the daily charts, look at the daily charts here, showing you a reversal. Though it has filled a gap, I will ask you to remain cautious till 12,570. Only short entry below 12,570, then 12,550, 12,530, 12,500 are going to be the support, and below that 12,450, 12,400. Remember, 12,400, 12,300 are going to be the stronger support zone. See this zone at on the downside at 12,380. The stronger support from 100 period moving average may come into picture. Be cautious there. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge again. Stochastic is overbought here, and probably it may converge crossover for a sell, but the MACD has just crossed over. It is divergent, so despite if it sees a drop today, it can possibly bounce back tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Be cautious. RSI trading flat. So yes, till the time today NASDAQ 100 trades below 12650, we have we have to be cautious. Do not go long till the time it trades below 12650. Only bullish entry, only buy entry is about 12650. On the downside, yes, you can go short at 12570, but then you have to trail your stop loss. See, nearby resistance at 12550, 12530, 12500 may provide a very strong support, and below 12500 you can expect it to drop for 12450 and 12400. These two levels you should watch out for. 12380 is a good support, and below that we can see a good fall for 12300. So see, the zones there you should identify, trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Probably we may see a little drop before it tries to bounce back. Hence, you have to be very cautious and you have to tail your stop losses always, such that in case of a reversal, you can preserve your capital. Now, let's have a look at Dow Jones. And before I proceed further, yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits, you can join my mentorship batch. The 15th batch is starting today. You can still be part of it. The first batch class is scheduled today. Also, I will check out for the seats. So, reach out to me for more details on it. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Patreon group where you can support my efforts. So the Patreon link is also mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Now let's have a look at US30. See, US30 on the hourly charts has filled this gap. Definitely it has given a gap up. I'm now trying to trade with a drop. At the same time, on the upside, you should watch out for these levels at 32,250. If you see it trading above 32,250, you can again go long. Then 32,320, 32,500 levels can be seen. On the downside, yes, if you see, it has covered the gap there, and this is going to be a support zone at 32,100, but be cautious till 32,150. You can go short at 32,150. Expect 32,100 as a support, and if it breaks below 32,100, we can see a good drop for 32,000, the next support zone, and then below that a crash. So yes, you can go short at 32,150, go long or buy above 32,250. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over, and this time it is a bearish cross. It is trading with a divergence. It is calling for bearishness there. RSI is trading near to top, near to overbought levels. Now look at the 2-hour. On the 2-hour chart, see, this is an expanding triangle. On the downside, 32,100 should be a very good support for the day, and then 32,000 levels. You can go short at 32,150. You can go long above 32,250. Directional movement is bullish so far. It is trying to converge. Stochastic trading overbought, hence we can see a drop. The MACD trading in green may try to converge crossover for a sell entry. RSI is trading also near to overbought levels. Look at the 3-hour charts. The third candle is about to start. This time the third candle may take it till towards 32,100 levels. Be cautious. And below that, if it gives the next candle, this is going to be a further fall. So you can go short right now and expect 32,250 as the stop loss or the stronger resistance zone. The directional movement is extremely bullish. It may start to converge. The stochastic is overbought, may try to look for a drop. The MACD is bullish here. It may start to converge. RSI is overbought too. So almost all indicators on all time frames indicating overboughtness on US30. Probably we can see a little drop. On the upside, see this. Be careful of 32,250, and on the downside, be careful of 32,100. Yes, you can go short here. Expect 32,150 as the support, and 32,100 is a very strong support. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. The stochastic is trading overbought, can see a drop. MACD is trading parallel and bullish. We may see it converging here. RSI is trading overbought, indicating we can expect a little drop. Now look at the daily charts here. So lower highs, lower lows. Probability for it to get the support at 12,150 is strong, and in fact 12,100. Be cautious and alert till 12,100. Below that, 32,100. Below 32,100, it will call for a drop till towards 32,000 levels. So in between 32,250 and 32,200, 150, do not trade. Between 150 and 250, be cautious. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic is overbought, may converge crossover for a sell entry. But remember, the MACD has just crossed over, and in fact a red candle today will not bring it to the bearishness. There probably second red candle tomorrow, and a sharp red candle will only call for the bearishness, and hence today it may trade in red but with very little movement. It may not try to breach past the further lows for last Friday. RSI trading flat. Considering this, go short here, expect 32,150 as the support and 32,100 as the support. Only below 32,100 we can expect 32,000, and if it breaks below 32,000 it will call for a good drop till towards 31,900, 31,840, 31,800, 31,700 and below levels. On the upside, you can go long at 32,250 and expect 32,300 as a little resistance, and beyond that we may see it hitting 32,500 levels. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.